the Shoe Healer. It's the Friday before Christmas, Mad Friday, and we've had a few mad jobs in. We've got work up here, we've got work down here waiting to be done, we've work along here, furniture polish. Fabulous when you're on the sewing machine and you're stitching something and you need to lubricate the leather a little bit quickly. A bit of furniture polish is fabulous when you're using the sewing machine. Velcros, we've got a lovely look. This is definitely Mad Friday. Customer bought these boots off us, loves the boots, but fancies them being a little bit lower. Like that there, look, see, just looking like that, instead of having this collar round the top. Can you take it off? Well, we probably can. Just turn that radio down a little bit if you would, Paul. Round here, look at these beautiful Joseph Cheaneys they've come into the shop for stretching. Fabulous Joseph Cheaney boot. Gentleman bought these off of the internet. £220, an absolute bargain. I don't know where he got them from, what website he got them off, but they are beautiful. Joseph Cheaney there should be £500, and they are absolutely stunning. Further down, what else have we got in? What else is in the shop? We've got our customer with these here. We're doing a repair on these from London. A customer pair of Churches, having a full repair on a pair of Churches. Jobs here for me to do. Eyelets changing on a pair of Cheaneys to some gunmetal instead of black eyelets, and then a pair of Prada, ladies' Prada shoes. Look, the elastic's gone there. Look, they don't look very loved, do they? These for Prada shoes. We'll give them a good clean up, and then see how that elastic has all gone. I don't know how we're going to repair that, but we'll find a way of making them usable again. Round here, what have we got? Oh, we've got the boots that Paul's done for the chap. Have these had the red stitching? Oh, look at that. Red stitching in there. How nice is that? I did actually think, Paul, you were having red stitching on the top.
Well, bottom.
Just on the bottom. Oh, wow.
On bottom.
Wow, wow, wow. And another pair here. Oh, a pair of RM Williams having the gristle rubber put on, all stitched on, ready for the heel stacks. What colour are these going? Are they going black or...
Just black, I think.
Oh, how nice would they look if they were stained up? And another pair having that Vibram sole on, and then another pair here. Oh, look at those beautiful riding boots. Oh man, they are stunning. Is he leaving this?
Natural edge, yeah.
Natural edge. So Paul's got to polish this yet. It's just been stained up. What a weight. What a beautiful boot that is. What make is it?
Red Wing.
Red Wing. Red Wing.
Had
Oh.
the typical Red Wing rubber sole on it, resin sole.
Oh, typical. I don't know what that is, buddy. Well, that is lovely. Look at
what
a nice sole. And you can just see on there, look where Paul's had to machine back the tread a little bit just so he can get his stitching on there. Lovely. Now then, you all right, my friend? Now, Paul's pretending to do some work.
Yeah.
People like to
Lazy me.
They like to see you in the videos. They do. They like to see you doing something. Oh, look what he's doing. Look what he's doing here. His lovely Vibram wedge sole. I do like this sole. We spend all our life taking these off, and now we're putting them back on again these days. The Trickers Everdon.
Evedon.
Evedon. Right.
Edit that bit, eh?
No, so Evedon. It's handwritten inside there, not so well on that one. Evedon. Right, lovely. So I've never heard of that before. The Trickers Evedon.
Probably where we met, we wagged it together.
That's right. That's right. So I've seen these before, and they're having that sole on. That's lovely. Over here is the Corby and Sons. Don't know who they are. Don't know. It might be Corby and
Sons.
Corby and Sons are a designer, and they've had this made by somebody, but it's really nice. It really is.
Gentleman's got some good taste because his other pairs Edward Greens.
Oh yeah, well they are lovely, really nicely made, fully leather lined, leather insole. Got some age on them though. Look, somebody's done a bit of a dodgy repair at some point. Blake stitched the back half in. Look, can you see that Blake stitch in there? Look at that. Look. Can you see this? Yep. Okay. So you've outsold stitched
No,
them.
I think it were original.
Never. That looks a bit ropey to be
They
original.
only
nice.
did the back half.
Really, really nice. These are the These are the Edward Greens. Look at that. There's some money there. They feel beautiful. Got the Ridgeway sole on. Had a full rebuild. What a lovely, lovely pair of boots they are. Here we have our customer with a fashion boot. Hudson, not sure about these, but these are mock welt. He knows a mock welt. He came in this morning, and we're going to do a nice repair on these for him. Make sure that everything is solid, and then he's going to have this Svig sole and heel on there, round about the 55-60 pound mark. But everything about the shoe, the base of the shoe, is quite solid. Really, really nice and original. Better put that stock back in with those, otherwise we'll be in bother. Look at these here, lovely old trickers. Look at those. Somebody loves these. Having a full repair. Had back liners in. Don't they look sorry for themselves? They'll get some love, get some polish. All the uppers are cracked there, look, but they'll get some Renomat in there, Renopure, whatever it is, Renovator. And but aren't they lovely? Lovely old pair of trickers coming for repair. They are beautiful, those. Fully leather lined, so they're not crazy old. They've just had a little bit of a hard time. These, oh, here, look, I found these coming round here. Full leather insole, fully leather lined, beautiful soft leather, super soft leather. Goodyear welted, storm welt, and Paul's saying where are they from? So we're just waiting now. Paul's inked up all the top here. All this will be machined smooth and then tidied up, and then they'll get a polish up. But a beautiful pair of boots, amazingly beautiful. And look what it says in there. Look, can you see that? Marks and Spencer, made in India. I just can't tell you how nice these boots are. They're really nice. Really, really nice. This leather is so soft. I want my underpants making out of this leather. It's beautiful. So that's us at the shoe healer in Doncaster. And just working our way through what we get sent in. Had some work sent from New Zealand recently. And some other places. Where else have we had it sent from?
Philadelphia.
Philadelphia,
Three
yeah.
pairs.
Wow.
No joke.
Okay.